vertical live scan mode is ideal for visual pinpointing and provides a basic target discrimination. Detected anomalies in the underground are immediately visualized in ultrasound-like images. After connecting your detector with the 3D software via Bluetooth, start a new scan by clicking on Import. Select your detector and the interface. Select the operating mode Live Scan. Decide if you want to enable the inductive SRIS search coil and click OK to save your settings. As soon as the software is ready to record scan values, the control panel will be displayed. Click the trigger button to start your measurement. Move the probe slowly in any direction, forwards, backwards, to the left and to the right. Keep the probe straight in vertical orientation. In the triangle on the left, the signals indicate the relative depth of detected objects. The deeper the objects are in the underground, the further down in the triangle the signals are visible. The circle on the right side represents the top view of the measuring range. Like in horizontal live scan, the signals proceed from the top to the bottom of the circle, no matter in which direction the probe is moved. The focus area in the center of the circle additionally shows significant signals of the activated SRIS search coil. The green signals indicate the occurrence of ferromagnetic metal objects. The white and gray signals indicate non-ferrous targets and cavities. Finish your live sound scan by clicking on the red Finish Import button.